Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
These days, people often compare smartphones and PCs, wondering which one is better. But the truth is, neither device can completely replace the other. Instead of competing, they work best together. A smartphone can tap into the computing power of a PC to overcome hardware limitations and improve compatibility, while a PC can benefit from the phone's always-connected mobile network. Lenovo clearly understands this idea, which is why it introduced the new generation Legion Phone Y70. This phone connects directly with your PC, making AI-powered gaming incredibly seamless. Imagine you're in the middle of an intense match but need to step away for a package delivery or a quick break. You can instantly continue the same game on your phone without interruptions or noticeable lag. Productivity gets a major upgrade as well. Lenovo has packed the new Legion Phone Y70 with Apocalypse AI, Apocalypse Clone, and super connectivity. You can mirror your phone's screen to your computer and control mobile apps using a keyboard and mouse, creating a smooth experience where your phone and PC work together as one powerful setup.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before exploring all those exciting features, let's first take a look at the phone itself. On the back, you'll immediately recognize the familiar Legion logo, carrying forward the signature gaming-inspired design language of the Legion family. I went with the classic elastic black color, which looks understated but still feels aggressively premium. As light reflects off the glass back, it creates a soft, frosted finish that also helps resist fingerprints. The frame is made from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, and thanks to its beveled edges, the phone feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. Even with its huge 8,000 mAh battery, it measures just 8.29 millimeters thick and weighs only 227.6 grams. Considering the battery size, the weight is impressively well managed. At this point, it almost feels like carrying a computer that also happens to make phone calls. Whether I'm working or relaxing, I spend a lot of time using it, and even after long gaming sessions, it never feels tiring to hold. The new generation Y70 introduces LG Zone and TES AI. LG Zone is built to maximize your gaming experience, while TES AI is designed to improve productivity, helping you finish work more efficiently and making everyday tasks much easier. Let's start with the game library. LG Zone comes pre-installed and provides a secure collection of genuine games. Lenovo's servers are seriously fast, so downloading games happens quickly without unnecessary waiting. Once your games are installed, the game space automatically tracks your gaming time over the previous 7 days. I honestly thought I hadn't spent much time playing Genshin Impact, but when I checked, it had already logged 3 or 4 hours, with more than 20 hours played overall. It's actually a useful reminder that makes you more aware of how much time you're spending before launching another game. You can also improve performance by opening Device Management from the upper right corner to clear memory for smoother gameplay. There are exclusive gaming rewards available, built-in rankings, and an active community where players can interact. Even better, the installation process is completely free of ads, which is something I really appreciate. At the top, you'll find the unlimited connectivity feature, allowing you to continue playing without restrictions. As long as your PC and the game are running, you can seamlessly switch over and keep playing on your phone. There's no need for a gaming accelerator since the network connection remains stable and smooth without additional setup. Even better, you don't have to install or configure an emulator. Just connect with a single tap and you're ready to play. During gameplay, the visuals from your PC are faithfully reproduced on the phone. High-resolution graphics, detailed environments, realistic lighting, and overall image quality all remain sharp and immersive, delivering an authentic PC gaming experience. Everything works without complicated setup or unnecessary steps. Lenovo has quietly become incredibly strong when it comes to software, not just hardware. As soon as you enter a game, AI Sound Hunter 2.0 activates automatically. From my experience, the audio feels like it's coming not only from the phone itself, but also from behind your ears, creating a much stronger sense of direction. This becomes especially helpful in competitive games, making it easier to locate opponents through sound while also enhancing low-frequency effects, such as footsteps. Just listen to the 16 different footsteps I was able to identify while playing PUBG Mobile. While gaming, simply swipe inward from the left edge to open AI Game Assistant. It offers one of the most complete collections of gaming controls I've ever seen on a smartphone. Right in the center, you can choose between power saving, balanced, and performance modes depending on the game you're playing and your remaining battery. For demanding games with longer loading times, you can enable AI prediction features. They're especially useful in games like Delta Force. If you're playing idle titles like on Majoji, you can turn on both AI Survival and Virtual Screen Idle mode, allowing the game to keep running without leaving the display on while you wait to collect rewards. While playing competitive shooters or racing games, enabling touch optimization is almost essential. In QQ Speed, increasing swipe responsiveness makes drifting and cornering feel much smoother. For precision shooting games, raising click sensitivity with up to 360 Hz multi-touch sampling delivers noticeably faster aiming and shooting with extremely low latency. And for games like Honor of Kings, where movement and skill activation happen simultaneously, simply turning on every optimization provides the best overall experience. Powering everything is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5, built using TSMC's cutting-edge Nano 3P 3M manufacturing process. It achieves an impressive Antutu benchmark score of more than 3.36 million. Combined with the Adreno 829 GPU, everyday usage feels incredibly smooth. Whether you're switching between Office apps or jumping straight into games, there are no signs of lag. The phone also includes Flagship LPDDR5X Ultra Memory and UFS 4.1 storage, delivering memory bandwidth of up to 9,600 megabytes per second and improving game launch speeds by around 12.5%. Overall, performance easily ranks among today's flagship smartphones and fully justifies its price. Of course, raw performance alone isn't enough. To fully take advantage of this level of hardware and make ranking up easier, you also need consistently low latency, and that's exactly where this device continues to deliver. The new generation Legion Y70 also comes with a dedicated Direct Connect cable and supports second-generation quad SIM technology, allowing you to use 2 SIM cards at the same time while enjoying 4 network coverage for reliable global roaming. Right now, I'm actually gaming down in my basement, and as you can see from the signal icon in the top right corner, the reception is still at full strength. I've been gaming all morning without even noticing how much time has passed, yet the phone barely feels warm. More importantly, there aren't any hotspots concentrated in one area, so it's consistently comfortable to hold. Its heat management is seriously impressive, and it's obvious that Legion put a lot of work into the cooling system this time. The new Legion Y70 uses a silent cooling architecture built around an industry-leading composite thermal system. A 12W high-conductivity cooling core sits in direct contact with the SoC, while 10W high-performance thermal gel delivers much better heat transfer than traditional materials. There's also a massive 5,500 mm² VC vapor chamber paired with a thick graphite cooling layer, bringing the total heat dissipation area up to an impressive 29,545 mm². Together with its advanced internal layout, heat spreads quickly and evenly throughout the device, keeping temperatures under control even during long, demanding gaming sessions. Battery life is another major highlight. The huge 8,000 mAh battery, combined with 90-watt super flash charging, makes battery anxiety a thing of the past. I started playing Genshin Impact at 68% battery, played for well over half an hour, and still had 60% remaining afterward. With a bit of optimization, getting more than 10 hours of gameplay is absolutely possible, and lowering the screen brightness can stretch that even further. If you like gaming while charging, the phone also supports bypass charging. Instead of constantly charging the battery, power is delivered directly to the motherboard, reducing battery heat while maintaining a higher battery level during extended gaming sessions. Choosing a phone doesn't mean you have to compromise on display quality. The new generation Legion Y70 features a 6.82-inch 2K display with 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. It fully supports high-quality gaming visuals, and here's a short 4K HDR video clip to give you a better idea of the screen's color calibration and image quality. For eye comfort, the LTPO display works together with SGS low ghosting certification, helping reduce eye fatigue during extended gaming sessions, so extended play feels much more comfortable. Now, here's something really interesting. What extra advantages does the new generation Legion Y70 gain when it's paired with the Legion 9000P Ultimate Edition laptop? Using the built-in Super Connect feature, you can quickly pair the phone with your computer either with a cable or a QR code. It even removes the limitation of needing both devices on the same local network. So even if your phone and PC are connected to different Wi-Fi networks, they can still establish a fast and stable connection. Once connected, the phone can instantly work as an extended display and even supports shared key mapping. This creates a much more flexible gaming experience. After enabling the key mapping feature, you can control your phone directly from the computer. For everyday tasks, you simply use your keyboard and mouse, and when gaming, the experience becomes even better. Instead of relying only on touch controls, you can use the mouse for much more accurate aiming and overall control. Anyone who regularly mirrors their phone screen while gaming is going to appreciate this feature. Just select the phone display through your PC's streaming software, and together with screen mirroring, it prevents unnecessary battery drain and excess heat on the phone itself, while keeping everything running smoothly on the computer. There's another useful feature too. By opening the virtual phone mode, your physical phone screen becomes completely available again. Your game continues running on the PC, while your phone can still be used for everyday tasks. That means you can leave your game running and enjoy watching movies or handling other apps at the same time. Don't overlook the shared clipboard feature either. If you've copied something like a phone number on your phone and need it on your computer, there's no need to send it manually. Simply copy it once and it instantly appears on both devices. The same convenience applies to file transfers. Instead of relying on cloud storage, documents move directly between your phone and computer automatically without downloading them again. Even something as large as a full anime episode can be transferred within seconds using simple drag and drop, making it perfect for watching while waiting for the bus or commuting. What's really impressive is that all of these features are available through a single pre-installed application. It supports dozens of different brands, offers a clean interface with no ads, and has become incredibly useful for my daily workflow. Everything works immediately after setup, making Lenovo feel less like a hardware company and more like a hidden software powerhouse. After spending time with every feature, I genuinely feel that the new generation Legion Y70 marks the return of a true gaming king. For esports players, even one feature like the complete key mapping system is enough to make this phone worth considering. Many experienced users hesitate to rely on third-party gaming tools, but with Lenovo's own ecosystem, everything is built in from the start. Combined with Legion Shield and Super Interconnect, the phone creates a seamless bridge between PC and mobile gaming. When you don't feel like sitting at your desk anymore, you can simply continue playing on your phone wherever you are, without needing any third-party software or complicated setup. Just invite your friends and jump straight into a match. Add to that the outstanding battery life and flagship-level processor, and you get much more than just a gaming phone. It's a complete flagship smartphone that excels in everyday use as well. I've already started using it as my own device, and I can confidently recommend it. It's definitely a phone to buy. That's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.